Hey, what's up guys, this is Vikas once again back with another tutorial, and in this tutorial I will show you guys how to create a YouTube thumbnail in just PowerPoint. You can see here I have created a beautiful YouTube thumbnails for the YouTube video guys, as a lot of guys requested me to create a video on YouTube thumbnail. And this is the second one with the blue color combination, and this is the third one with the yellow color combination guys. So all these are looking so attractive and beautiful guys. So once I have explained you to create a video, I will definitely tell you, I can definitely tell you, you are unable to do it very easily guys, and you can create much better thumbnails as per your need guys. So without wasting any further time guys, let's get started. Before start creating, I just want to make a request. If you are new on this channel, then please subscribe this channel, share this video, so that I can continue providing the free templates or free materials for all of you guys. So your little effort can make me able to continue creating such videos guys. So click on insert option. Here you will find the shape. First you have to insert a blank slide, so I'm going to click on new slide option and insert a blank slide over here. Now first one I will create, and these two you will definitely create with easily with a different color combination guys. So I'm going to define you this one. Okay, so after doing this, what I'm going to do, I have to copy this color palette from the previous slide and paste it over here in the new slide. Right click over here, format the background. So I'm going to choose a gradient fill option for this, or you can just click here and select a rectangle and drag it to cover the whole slide. Okay, and now I'm going to make it no outline. Okay, after doing this, what I'm going to do, I will again duplicate this shape and fill it with a different color, put it over here guys, and reduce the size, like I'm going to do it something this much. Okay, or maybe this much guys, I'm going to do it this much. Now right click over here, you will find the format edit point option. Just click on that and drag this black dot something here. Okay, now it's done guys. Now what you have to do, okay, now click on insert option. Here you will find this option guys, parallelogram option. You just have to click on this and drag a parallelogram like this. Now I'm going to rotate it 90-degree right, and for now I'm going to fill it with a different color, make it no outline guys. And after this I'm going to set it parallel to the yellow shape background boundary, like I'm going to make it parallel to this one. So I'm going to do it like this, and I will put it over here. Okay, now you will see the yellow dot over here, so you just have to slide it to the down to make it vertical, like you have to do it something like this guys. Now increase the length like this and put it over here. Okay, and now I'm going to make it something wider like this. Press Ctrl D to make another duplicate copy and make it thinner like this and put it over here. Make it something wider like this much and put it over here guys. Okay, now after this, what you have to do, you just have to make a duplicate copy of this one, put it over here, make it something thinner like this much, and put it over here like this. Okay, make it closer guys, like this much. And now just zoom out, make a duplicate copy of the bigger shape and put it over here, this, and select this shape fragment. Okay, now we don't want this bigger part, so I'm going to delete it, and we don't want this part, so I'm going to delete it. I'm going to delete this one, I'm going to delete this one. Okay, so from this shape, yellow shape, I'm going to select yellow shape, select this shape and this shape. First I'm going to subtract this shape I'm going to subtract it. Again I will select the yellow shape, control and yellow shape, and again I will subtract this shape, guys. Now I will fill it with the color. So to do that, I'm going to choose an eyedropper. After this I will choose this color, guys. Now for this I'm doing the same. I will fill it with this color. And now for this shape, this bigger shape, bigger rectangle, as you can see here, what I'm going to do, I will fill it with a gradient fill. So I'm going to click on gradient fill, and for the left handle, what I'm going to use, I will use this color, and for the right handle, I will use some lighter color of the same, lighter version of the same color, like this. Okay. So now I will change the angle, like we want darker part at the left side. So this one is good, guys. So for the right handle, I think we have to select some lighter color like this. Now it's fine, guys. The final thing what we have to do, we have to click on insert option. We have to choose a triangle actually. So I'm going to choose a triangle, flip it vertically and put at this corner, guys. Okay. Now reduce the size like this. Press Ctrl D to make another duplicate copy. Press Ctrl and shift together and drag outward to make it bigger and put it over here. But we don't want the outline, so I'm going to remove it by clicking on this option. And for this, I'm going to fill it with this color, and for this shape, I'm going to fill it with the darker version of this color. So I'm going to bring it to the front. So I'll click over here and put this over here, guys, like this. Okay, so this is ready. Now what I'm going to do, I will copy all this text. Here you can add your subject name, ratios and proportions. If you are educator, then you can write here ratios and proportion or any topic's name. So just copy from here all these shapes. I will explain how to create these shapes as well as the pictures, and paste it over here, guys. So I'm going to paste it over here. Now you can see how it's looking, guys. It's looking so pretty. And let me explain you how I have created this. So to do this is very easy. You just have to click on shape option. You have to choose this option, drag it like this. You will find a yellow dot, drag it like this, make it smaller like this, remove the outline, fill it with a color. So I'm going to fill it with a color, and whatever you just want to write here, you can write, and you can increase the font size as well as the color. So this is how simple it is, guys. You can make it bold, you can make it italic from here. So, and I have put it over here. So this is how I have created the live now button, and the same process I have applied for creating a subscribe now button, guys. So this is what you can create. You can put a logo over here at the left corner to make it more attractive or professional. So, and let me tell you about picture, guys. I have created this PNG format. Like I have removed the background in Photoshop and maintain the level by pressing Ctrl L on the keyboard on the Photoshop. So this is what I got from the Photoshop, guys. So you have to choose a better picture that you want to put on your video thumbnail, and do some changes, alterations in Photoshop to make it more attractive and focusing. So this is how you can create beautiful thumbnails in PowerPoints. I don't recommend you to use the I just don't want to promote the copyright content, guys. So I just want to let you able to make such attractive thumbnails through your own. So after watching this video, you will definitely, I hope you will definitely can do it in PowerPoint. So there is no need to download it from the third-party applications and get a risk of copyrights, guys. So be safe and keep learning, guys. So this is all about today's tutorial. See you in the next tutorial. Till now, bye, and thank you very much for watching this video.